Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be jumping back into the isometric realm of things within AutoCAD, and we're going to be looking at how to take the volume measurement of a cylinder in AutoCAD. So this is a pretty straightforward lesson, pretty easy, but you have to know where to look. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel. This helps me out a lot in understanding what videos are doing well, what you guys like. If you like the video, give it a like down below. If you think someone else could learn from this video as well, give it a share. And if you want to see anything else done in AutoCAD, leave it in the comments section below. Alright, so as you can see here, we have an isometric cylinder within AutoCAD. And if you've taken any sort of math class, you will most likely have learned that the volume formula for a cylinder is going to be pi r squared times the height of the cylinder. So with that information, we really won't need too much of that, but we do have an understanding of how the cylinder volume is calculated. AutoCAD does the actual calculation for us. Now this is in feet, but the first thing we're going to do is we need to measure the height of the cylinder. So you need to find the height first and foremost, and we're going to measure this as it goes from the center of the top circle down to the bottom. And as you can see here, it is 8 feet long. So we want to remember that it's 8 feet. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to come up to the measure button up here. We're going to click it and we're going to go down to volume. Now, before you do anything else, you don't want to click on anything. You want to come down to the command line and you'll see that there is a option for object. You can either type O or you can press object down here, and that's what we're going to do. Now, when it gives us the object, it gives us this little pick box, and then we have to select the object. So the first thing we want to select is going to be the circle. We want AutoCAD to understand this is the circle for the cylinder, so we're going to select it. We're just going to come up here, simply left click, and as you can see here, it selected the entire isometric circle. Now, the reason why you had to take the height is because now, if you look at the bottom of the command line, it is asking you for the height. So we're going to come down to the command line, and we're going to type in the height that we got, which is 8 feet. Enter. And as you can see now, we want to click volume. And the volume right here is going to be 150,443.7745 cubic inches. That is the volume of this cylinder right here. It's really that simple. You just need to make sure you get the height in before you click the object. And I'll show you why here real quick. We will do this the wrong way, but if you go to volume, you click object, click there, and then come down here, you'll see that the height is 7 feet 10 inches. It is not 8 feet, and that's going to skew the actual correct cubic inches that you are looking for. Alright, that's going to wrap up the video here. Another short and easy tutorial within the isometric view plane within AutoCAD. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you like the video, give it a like down below. Please consider subscribing to the channel, and thank you all for the support recently. It's meant a lot. It's awesome to see the channel growing like it is. So with that being said, hope you guys have a good rest of your day.